Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP Prof X360 Fortis laptop driver. So open any browsers to type like that and go to this URL and support.hp.com. Just right click to new tab and after that you go this window. This is your laptop. So choose operating system Windows 11 and 10 volt which is you are using. Okay, this is audio driver. Lot of driver are available, so you can install which is you required. If you install the basic driver, so just audio driver, this is required. Okay, then chipset, then graphic card. Try to install this one. Then keyboard. First of all guys, you select it. Okay, then install. So Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Ethernet, 1 2 3 to install Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Ethernet means your LAN driver. You are selected the drivers show here, so you can see and just download. Click on download selected file. It will start downloading for one by one. Okay, so after the downloaded, how to install? Just click to set up file. Okay, and then click to yes, then next, I accept, next. This is installation path. You want to change and click to select the part which where you want to install it. Then next, it is installations almost installed by CMD, and with few seconds after that it will complete. Okay, so guys, you can install like that. And after the install required our install, you restart your system. Thank you.